Let's see how to make a paper shape boat. It is very simple to make. You can also make it a at home. Now you can float it in the water during the rain, or you can throw it in a lake, lake or a pond. To do this, take a sheet of paper. I can speak English like I show in the video, so I am using Google Translate to say it. Please show me in the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I am very poor, and comment where you are watching my video. If you watch this video on a larger screen, try increasing the resolutions a little bit. It will look clear to you. If you watch help or help of the video, you won't understand it, so watch the video until the end. When you see a paper boat floating in the water, you will understand that it floats. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. If you have any questions about this video, comment and I will answer them. Watch till the end. If you did understand this video, please comment and tell me what kind of videos you want. I will make those video to see you in the next new video. Subscribe to the channel now. My God bless and protect you.